Tap on the arrow up here. You can turn and move with your drawing. When you have the uniform option, you can change size within the same ratio. With the freeform option, you can change the size in a different way. Also, if you hold your pen on the blue dot, you can distort the shape or size or change it in some way. And finally, the wrap option. Tap here to see all the blue dots. You can move or deform your drawing in many ways. To reset or edit, tap here. And also you can use the distort option directly. If you want to select some parts of your drawing you want to change, tap on the lasso tool here and circle the part. My favorite tool for changing shapes and sizes is the magic wand. Tap on the liquify option. You can see a few directions or ways of movements. You can also set the size or pressure to your touch. I will show you quickly how it looks. I often use the push option here. You have great control of the movements. Try to follow the natural direction of the fabric.